Have you ever had that feeling, that little bit of panic right before a big meeting, just wondering if your tech is about to fail on you? Well, today we're going to look at something pretty cool. A free, private, and instant toolkit that's basically a one-stop shop for all your tech checks.
Oh, yeah, we've all been there. You've got a huge video call starting in like 2 minutes, and that sudden, cold feeling just washes over you. You know the one. Is my tech actually going to work this time? It's that classic pre-meeting panic, right? You're frantically scrambling, trying to test your mic for clarity, checking your webcam to make sure you're not just a blurry mess, and desperately trying to figure out if network lag is about to make you sound like a robot. It's a stress we know all too well. But what if just one click could solve all of that? I mean, really, that's the whole promise behind the online toolbox we're diving into today. So what is it? Think of it like a complete diagnostic toolkit for all your stuff. Your AV gear, your network connection, even your system's hidden capabilities. And the best part? It all just lives right there in your browser. No downloads, no installations, zero fuss. Okay, but what really sets this tool apart isn't just that it's super convenient. It's the privacy promise. And that all comes down to how it actually works under the hood. This whole promise, it really boils down to three simple but super powerful rules. First up, and this is the big one, zero of your data gets uploaded, nothing. Second, absolutely zero user tracking. We're talking no cookies, no logs, none of those creepy analytics following you around the web. And the reason all of this is even possible is because of rule number 3. Every single test runs 100% locally. It's all happening right there on your machine. So this whole thing is built on a principle called local first. And it's pretty simple, really. It just means all the heavy lifting, analyzing your camera feed, checking your microphone's waveform, it all happens inside your browser. The internet is only used for the stuff that absolutely has to use it, like a network ping test. The bottom line, your personal data stays personal. Period. And look, the creators themselves put it super plainly. This is a direct quote from their site. They say, "We never upload your audio/video data. Browser permissions can be revoked at any time. It's all designed to put you, the user, in complete control." Okay, so it solves that pre-meeting panic and it protects your privacy. Awesome, right? But that is just the beginning. This toolkit is also designed to help you unlock your device's full potential by testing things you probably didn't even know it could do. So, for instance, let's say you're a content creator. You can finally see if your machine can actually handle smooth 4K or even 8K video decoding without dropping frames. Or if you're a gamer, you can verify if that expensive monitor is actually giving you that buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate you paid all that money for. You can even do things like check a brand new display for its HDR performance, or hunt for those annoying dead pixels right out of the box. I mean, that alone could save you a massive return hassle. And you know that refresh rate test? It's not just for gamers. It's for anyone who just loves that super smooth scrolling feel. And the dead pixel test, that's a must-run for any new phone or monitor you buy. There are even these specialized tools for mobile users to check GPS accuracy or for streamers to verify their video performance. It really just goes to show there's a tool in here for pretty much every type of tech user out there. So let's just boil it all down. What's the core value here? It's simple, no install, no upload. And yeah, it's 100% free. Which really just leaves us with one final pretty intriguing question, doesn't it? You own all this hardware. You use it every single day. But do you really know what it's capable of? What's hiding in your hardware?